Hi everyone, the Spiderman here. Well, yesterday, as you know, I did that feeding video and there were 6 locusts in this tub. So I fed 4 tarantulas and 1 centipede yesterday. So that was 5 in total. So there is 1 left, which is just down the bottom there. A fairly big locust, I should say. So, as the title says, I'll be feeding my giant rainforest mantis today, so let's just have a quick look at her. So everyone, there she is. She's a big girl, probably around about the 3-inch mark from abdomen to her head. So she hasn't been fed for about 4 days, so she should be hungry, and I haven't featured her on my channel for a couple of weeks, so yeah, she's doing perfectly fine. So let's take the lid off and let's see if she's hungry. Here goes everyone. There you go everyone. Well everyone, all I've got to say is OMG. Oh my god. Now I wasn't expecting that at all. I was expecting it to be probably half of the locust, but not all of it. And as you can see, there's only a couple of legs and a couple of wings left. There ain't really much left at all. I'm just absolutely shocked. These mantis are absolutely heat-eating machines. So she's going to be full for at least over a week or so, I'd say. But I can just see underneath her abdomen it's gone black, which that means she's just full. There's nothing wrong with her at all. So let's just I'm sure I'll be able to get a shot of her abdomen, underneath her abdomen. Yeah, you can see it's gone a little bit black there, but you can't really see very good because the light's not very good. But yeah, I just can't believe that she's eaten the whole of that locust. Absolutely completely shocked about that. So let's just see if she'll go onto my hand. There we go. Let's just put her into her enclosure. She should. A bit difficult to do it with one hand, but yeah. So everyone, I'll put the lid back on and I'll leave her in peace. And thanks for watching, everyone.